Hello everyone, welcome to Doct Hub. I am Dr. Sandeep Patel and today we are going to discuss on the very crucial part of NEET PG counseling. What the mindset you require while appearing for the NEET PG counseling, mindset for getting the right knowledge, information, be prepared for different scenarios, clear your dilemma and doubts on particular things. So let's see the current scenario, the admission process, dilemma, and how to get help. So current scenario, for the basic, let's discuss for people who might not aware. The NEET PG exam is for all the MBBS doctors or medical graduates outside from the India. If they want to appear for the postgraduate seats of MD, MS, DNB broad specialty, diploma courses, CPS PG courses, the NEET PG exam is the only eligibility exam all over India, all the medical colleges and institutes and hospitals who are running such courses. The exam is conducted by National Board of Examination. After they declare the results, it has been shared to the admission counseling, MCC, Medical Counseling Committee, and they declare the merit list for all over India, and accordingly the states will prepare their merit list for their state students, and likewise they conduct the admission process. What's the admission process includes? So for the All India counseling, which is done by Medical Counseling Committee, MCC, they conduct admission for 50% of MD, MS seats in government and private medical colleges and government allied medical colleges all over India. They also conduct 100% seats of Central University quota. Central University is like Delhi University, Aligarh Muslim University, Banaras Hindu University, etc. 100% seats of all the deemed university quota will be filled by the MCC, and 100% seats of DNB broad specialty courses all over India will be allotted by MCC. All the other state counseling committees will be conducted 50% of seats of MD, MS and diploma seats of government, private and government allied colleges in their particular state. They also conduct management and NRI quota of private medical colleges in the state. So other students from outside that particular state, few states are allowing them to appear for management and NRI quota. So different states have, all the states have their own different criteria for the admissions and fee and etc. structure, which you will get the information from their website. The third process will be done by CPS, College of Physicians and Surgeons, Mumbai. The CPS diploma courses, 100% seats for CPS diploma and FCPS courses will be done by CPS Mumbai Counseling Committee for merit quota. So except Gujarat states, Gujarat CPS PG will be 100% seats in that will be allotted by the state committee. Gujarat state committee will fill it. So and the rest of the state will be done by the merit quota. Admission will be done by CPS Mumbai. And for CPS in-service quota, the admission will be done by that respective state committee. So if a CPS course in Rajasthan, the in-person quota will be filled by the the Rajasthan state PG committee. They will allotted the seats for in-person quota. So, and this information is as on as on December 2021. So please make that note. Now, what all are commonly seen dilemma among the students who are appearing for NEET PG counseling? There are different counseling has a different rules, state-wise different rules for seat quota and category, how to appear for online registration process, what I should get at my merit, which is the commonly seen and the major crucial part of dilemma among the students. how to choose colleges and specialty courses at your merit. That's the most crucial part, which creates so many confusions, so many complexity also at the time of choice filling. So you need to be very, very well prepared and make your analysis, make your research to be ready. And fee structure in different colleges for management and NRI and private seat quotas. Admission to state other than the domicile. So other than the domicile state, there are some states are allowing the students from outside their state. They can appear for management and NRI quota. So all states have their different deadlines, different processes, and the level of which level they open the window for other state students, that you need to be track that particular information and dates. And last, the most important situation wherein the students came across is, can I hold 2 seats at a time simultaneously in 2 counselings? So which is a very crucial the situation, very important. You need to be decide which way you want to go, because as per the current scenario you cannot hold 2 seats at a time. So for example, in a deemed university you get one particular seat with your choice, and now you want to appear for your state counseling, the 3rd round, and where you feel that there are probability of getting your choice of seat. So at that point you have to choose one, and at that time your mind should be well prepared for benefit versus loss. You have to calculate benefit versus loss and then you decide. So how can you get help? Yes, DoctHub as a NEET counseling friend, we can help you out. The DoctHub NEET counselor can help you out in a different ways, like getting an assistance in all 9 registration, admission process information in all India as well as different states, different courses. Your prediction for the colleges, courses, seat at your availability at your merit, and what you should be prepared for the choice filling list. So get short list for the colleges and courses at your merit. You can discuss it, get the tele counseling support. You can discuss the given choice filling list and with the counselor, and they will clear your doubts, different information on bond, fees, stipends, etc., whichever your doubts is. And the documentation part, you can get an assistance for documents requirement, preparedness for that. And also the important part is you can get WhatsApp updates on different deadlines, notices, notifications, and last moment things or situations which are been given by information or news which has been published by different counseling committees at different states as well as all India, different seats and different quota related information news. You can get it on your WhatsApp. So you can contact the career counseling service on a mobile 832-087-6298, or you can also email, and you can explore more on our website www.docthub.com. So this is all about the NEET counseling, your mindset to be prepared accordingly, what we have discussed. Make sure you clear your doubts and your dilemma situations. You should be analyze and research more about that particular situation which we have discussed, so that you will be well prepared at the time of the counseling. Thank you very much.